one. Working on a, what is this, 12, I think, Chevy Impala, I believe. And the guy brought it in for a P0174. The last time we checked it, the boot here was cracked. A very common problem. He ordered one, I believe, from Amazon. We installed it, and the problem went away for a little bit. But then he came back. He said he had the same problems, and I just ran it, and it looks like we do have a trim leak, but we also have a 496. So we're going to have to break those down and see what's going on. So what we're going to do is we're just going to read some data kits and see. Read some fuel pin data pits and see where we are. And we're going to look at some short and long term. This little thing is pretty good, but it's actually very hard to read sometimes. But looks like the bank 1 is working okay, but there is some extra in bank 2. So the bank 1 looks like now it's actually within range. The bank 2, the long term, the short term, it's okay percentage wise, but bank 2, the long term, which is at 174, looks like it's got a little interesting, you know. So I'm gonna raise the. All right, I got my smoke machine going, so it's smoking. I got it coming in. I got it going into the PVC here, and then it's going right into the intake, and then we're just going to sit and wait for some smoke and see where that smoke actually comes out. Hopefully it won't take too long. Okay, I've been running it for a while, and there doesn't seem to be any apparent leaks. I mean, you can tell that it's coming out. I've got it at a very low pressure, so it's not going to affect it. But I mean, the gas is coming out, so you can tell that it's leaking. So I know it's pressurized, but I don't see any leaks. I don't see any leaks whatsoever. So I found no leaks. The valve here, the solenoid for the is over here, and right now they should be closed. This is really the only other place for a leak. So I'm going to start the engine, plug it off, and we'll see if we can feel any vacuum right there. Alright, I can hear it. There's vacuum right there. So this is the cause of the leak. Alright, with my finger over it, you can see that all of the values, it runs much better. Alright, so we'll see what happens when it warms up, but I think that's the cause of our leak. Okay, on this Impala, the purge valve is, and there's a single bolt right there. I hope you can see it right there. It's about 10 mil, and we're gonna see if we can loosen it and pull it out to free it up. Yeah, one. Alright, here's the original part. It looks like it's the AC Delco part is the Bosch. I had to go to AutoZone because they're the only ones who actually had something in stock without special ordering. And this is their Duralast part. It looks pretty much identical to it. Hopefully it will last. It was more expensive than the GM part, but the dealer didn't have it. No one had it, but it looks like it comes with a little piece of some stuff here. So we'll see what we need to get it mounted. Yeah, it doesn't come pre-assembled, but it has everything I need. Here's the O-ring to seal the vent side of it here. But like I said, everything looks the same. Once I do that, I like to take a pick tool and make sure that it's flat. But that looks okay. I'm not even going to worry about it. And then looks like there's a grommet that goes in the lower half here, like so. And then this grommet looks like it's got to go flat according to that. So basically we'll put it in and then rotate it, I hope. And then we should be able to just rotate that like so. Alright, and then looks like there's a sleeve that goes into that one. Oops, that's going to be tough. How do you get that in there? Oh, jeez. You gotta get this sleeve in that. inside there. Well, that's gonna be fun. Okay, there we go. And then I gotta get that pushed down. Okay, there we go. I got it. Yeah, it still goes in. And looks like I got it in backwards because the big piece is supposed to be on the outside and the little piece is supposed to be on this side, so I got it backwards. So it should be this way. See? Shoot. Looking at the original and doing my best. So it's not going to fit in with it together. So let's see. And then this should have enough room to go in here. And then let's get it mounted, okay? But like I said, everything looks the same. Electrical connections, everything looks the same. So hopefully this will fix the problem. I think it will. It was a big leak right here. Not massive, but it was enough to create a problem. And then of course the bolt with that being retaining goes like that. So let's get it put in the same way and let's look at it afterwards, okay? We ran it. I changed that purge valve. And the fuel trims are going back to where they're supposed to be. Even this number 2 is dropping from the 21 to now it's down to 7. As the engine warms up, it's doing a better job. So I believe that that should be where it's supposed to be, very close to it. So I'm waiting for number 2 to actually stabilize. But I think that was the leak. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for subscribing. And thank you for watching another video. And it seems, we'll see.